Hello guys, welcome to StuTech, and today we are going to test the camera of these two mobile phones. This is the Samsung S8 Plus and the iPhone X or iPhone X. So basically there are a lot of video now in terms of video tests, camera tests and things like that, but we're gonna do today. So we are going to test the low light camera of these two mobile phones, the Samsung S8 Plus and the iPhone X. So basically these are the two mobile phones, came out in 2017, but if any of you guys still looking for a new mobile phone, if you like the camera, of course these two are really good in terms of, you know, bright and sunny light, taking photos, that is absolutely fine. But in terms of the low light, very low light, that's gonna be where the problem can arise. So what we have here is the low light camera test of these two mobile phones. I had to go out last night and walk and try out myself, and this is the really short video that I have found, and hopefully you like it. Hello guys, I am here now testing the camera of these two mobile phones. So it's basically the Samsung S8 Plus and the iPhone X. I am walking at the moment. It's pretty cold, and it's pretty dark, so you can see which one would be the best one to go for. If it is something to do with the image stabilization, both actually have that. I mean, both of them have the image stabilization, so it's kind of good. So in terms of the lighting, yeah, by the way, I made sure that both lenses are clean, so yeah. Okay, so which one do you think got the best camera in terms of low light? It's getting really dark here, as in, yeah, really dark, and there is only few lights around. So there you go. Okay, so that is just the test, a video test of these two mobile phones. So, okay, so that's the result of the low light camera test or video test of the Samsung S8 Plus and the iPhone X. So basically in the beginning of the video you can see that the iPhone X is quite overcolored. I mean, like the road looks so red, everything a bit reddish than the Samsung S8 Plus. S8 Plus is a bit brighter than the iPhone X. However, if you look on the video, the iPhone X delivered the video quite a bit better than the Samsung S8 Plus. It's because it's the iPhone X is less noisier. So yeah, so I would say all in all, in terms of low light, the Samsung S8 Plus brought the video in a quite high standard in terms of bringing all the light to the lenses and then to produce a really nice video, not too dark or anything like that. But the iPhone X brought the video with less noisy and less grainy than the Samsung S8 Plus. So okay, so I'm not gonna say who won this battle, but you can actually, yeah, vote for it. Let me know what you think. I'll put that in the comment section below, and yeah, let me know what you think, okay? And yeah, there you go. So that's gonna be the low light test camera of these two mobile phones, and hopefully you like that. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, just, you know, subscribe and hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Okay, thank you, see ya, bye bye.